Wow, look at that. All that snow. Look at that. Thank you for cleaning up. That's awesome. Woo, look at
Your butt.
your turn to hold this and I'll get it.
It's okay.
Here.
Some gloves?
Hold on, I got a glove. Just hold it. It's taping. Hi. There we go.
My hair's
Where's
on
my
my
glove?
face.
Here it is. Here's one glove. One glove. Put my finger.
I'm gonna fall with this thing. It's gonna hurt. That's my finger, sorry. Look at Eric cleaning his car finally. After Jenny's feet are wet. Boogers. Harder, honey. What are you? Being nice to your own car? My hair's on my face. Yeah. Look at this.
Wouldn't it be
I'm
cool
running.
if I-
I'm running.
Would it be cool if I dug a tunnel through here? There's plenty of room.
Only you. Only you. Na na na. Look, my finger keeps coming in. Oh, hairy finger. Oh, ooh. Oh no. Hi. Honey, is it duck or rabbit? Rabbit, duck. Rabbit, duck. Rabbit, duck. Hi. Are you duck or rabbit, honey?
I don't know. I'm a duck, I guess.
You're duck.
Alright, what are you?
I'm a duck. I'm apparently not a Gemini anymore. How sucky is that? You forgot your hat. Look, you're gonna get a cold. Okay, your turn. Your turn. Come get your cat. I'm driving it. Ooh, ooh, it's going down. Honey, it's on the floor. Take it. I'm getting cold from not moving. Ah, thanks.